Is there a zipper dance? Yeah. Like, is that? Hey everyone, Sweet Shard here on Coral TV. Today, I am sharing with you an invisible zipper hack. So here's the problem I think people have when they're inserting a zipper. It's inserting it at 5/8. This is a problem because when you're putting it down, you pin it and it makes sense, and then you start sewing and it goes like this. It's wobbly. In this case, we're only going to stitch at 3/8 because that is the width of your zipper tape. I'm gonna show you how to insert an invisible zipper in the easiest way possible. Okay, let's get started. Everything you need for this is in the description box below. First thing we're gonna do is change our pressure foot to an invisible zipper foot. The one that I'm using right now is an adjustable one. It comes with various attachments for different brands. You can get this at any sewing or fabric store. Or if you're having trouble finding one, there's a link in the description box below. And there's instructions that actually come in this little package as well with this foot that will tell you how to put them on. This moves around from side to side. What we want to do is make sure that the center part matches your needle point. So it runs right down the center. We're gonna unzip and we're gonna place it right side face down and just pin it in place. Now that we're all pinned up, I'm gonna head to the sewing machine. And of course, we're gonna backstitch before we start because we don't want our zipper going anywhere. It's gonna lock everything in place. Give one straight stitch all the way down. Just give it a backstitch when you reach your zipper and just trim your excess thread. So half of our zipper is on and we're gonna move on to the other side and do the exact same thing. So what I'll do here is zip it back up and I can see that this is my right side. This is the outer layer of my project. So I'll take my fabric and I'll lay it down on top, lining up my edges, and I'll just pin it in place. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to bring my zippers back up both sides just to make sure they're evenly lined up. And I think right now it looks pretty good, and I think you can probably just go back to the machine and give it another straight stitch. All right, there we go. This is looking really good. There's no puckering, there's no waves. It's all smooth and flush. We're just gonna finish this off by closing up the remainder of our fabric. Line up your ends and pin. You're gonna move your foot over and bring your needle down and just get them as close together as possible. Backstitch really well here because this is gonna get a lot of wear and tear and stitch all the way down. Okay, we're all done. So we're just going to press our seams nice and wide open. Ironing is my jam, guys. You don't even know. And like the sound of the iron, like, come on, guys. Okay, ready for the big reveal? Am I the zipper queen or am I the zipper queen? It's very nice and flush and flat and crisp. And look at that zip. That's some good stuff right there. I love doing this to new garments or updating thrift store finds. It's a super easy hack. Give it a try, and that is a zip on this tutorial. Did you click it? Click it. Come on, you know you wanna watch it. Click, click. Oh, and Coral TV DIYs, hey, click that, because you know you like DIYs. Come on.